When you're all finished with your layout, you're going to want to make sure that you have your file named correctly, and you're going to want to export a JPG, and the JPG is what you're going to turn into me. So you're going to go to File, Export, Save for Web, and then make sure that you are on the maximum quality setting and that it's set to JPEG. And then under the width, change the width to 600 pixels so that we have a smaller file size, and then choose Save. Okay, and then go ahead and save that inside of a project folder. Okay, and so you've got your project folder with your JPEG inside. It's always a good idea to just double check, make sure that everything looks okay. All right, and then zip that folder. Now don't trash your original. You want that original PSD just in case you're going to need to make changes to it in the future, or if there's a problem with your JPEG, I may ask you to submit the PSD file.